Respect.
Respect
For all.
true members
Regardless.
of gender identity.
Every day, we leave power on the table. We forget that genius doesn't choose a gender, that courage doesn't pick sides. We only see part of what's possible. Stop looking for talent in just one half of the room. When we see everyone, when we use all our pieces, we don't just solve problems, we thrive. In every wave, there is strength. In every journey, there is purpose. And in every person who chooses the sea, there is courage that moves the world forward. Together, let's break barriers, change mindsets, and build a maritime industry where everyone, regardless of gender, can rise, lead, and succeed. Equal seas, equal voice, equal opportunities.